This is going to be the front disc of a Honda Fireblade motorbike, and this is how it's drawn. We go to the circle and we want that in between these two guidelines that I've drawn before. There we are. Okay, let's try and get that central. There we are, centre point on the cross there. I've got a gradient on it, which is just in the gradient tools box here, just to give it a bit of a shine. And we also want to cut out the middle, so you want another disc here in the middle. Again, if I have the shift key down, it gives me a perfect circle, and that one I can just give a flat colour to, and again move that to the centre. If I grab those two and go to my pathfinder tool, I can then cut the centre out, so it's a disc with a hole in, basically. Now for the holes around the outside, I've already drawn these guides on here, and we can, again pressing my shift key down, and here if I use the command key, use the alt key, then I can drag across. If I do command D, I get the third one in the sequence. So alt key again, down to there, and another duplication to there. Okay, so I can zoom out, grab those 5 points, get rid of that by pressing the shift key, so I've got only those 5, and I want to move the centre point. So how I do that is press the R key on the keyboard for rotate, and I want this centre point to be in the centre of the disc. So I just press the alt key and put the cursor right in the middle, and that moves it to the centre. It is actually 36 degrees. That will give me 10 of these shapes, and I just press copy. That's my next one. Again, I can use command D all the way around. That gives me all the holes in the disc. So now I can grab the whole lot. I want this to be holes rather than shapes on top, solid shapes. I want to be able to see through these, so that when I add it to my wheel, you can see the forks behind, or see the wheel behind through the holes. So again, I can use this on the pathfinder to cut the holes out. Now I can add the centre of the disc, I can add the wheel, the fork and the brake pads, and that's how it's done.